This is a Pride Victory 10.2. This is the newest Victory scooter from the Pride Mobility Company, one of the largest manufacturers of scooters in the world. This is a fantastic scooter, and I'm not just saying that. I've looked it over, and it's a very appealing scooter for the price. It has a lot of benefits. Number one, it's the Victory 10.2. It has a 400-pound weight capability, so it does have a heavy-duty motor. 400-pound weight capability. Just remember, it is a 400-pound weight capability, but your seat, I'm going to swivel the seat here, the seat is 18 by 17. So remember that. It's a really nice deluxe seat. The arms do go up, and they also go out if you needed more width. If you're larger than the seat and needed more width, the arms go out. So remember, the seat is 18 wide by 17 deep. That's what comes standard with this scooter. Also, this scooter has 10-inch solid tires. And these are high quality solid tires. They're 10-inch all the way around. This is a three-wheel scooter. So the benefit of a three-wheel scooter is that with a three-wheel scooter, you have plenty of room to, I'm 6 foot tall, so you have plenty of room to extend your leg to the front. If you have a four-wheel scooter, you're going to be keeping your legs here all the time because you have a fender here. You can also put your foot on the fender, but I don't like it. So a three-wheel scooter, you have a lot more room for your feet, and also your turning radius is going to be a whole lot better. The turning radius for this scooter here is 52 inches. So on a four-wheel, you'd only be able to turn a half as much, so you'd be taking a much larger turn. So stability-wise, three-wheel scooters versus four-wheel scooters, it's really a personal preference depending where you're going to use it. I'm 180 pounds. The scooter weighs 180 also. Most of my weight's in the back, so for me to tip this scooter, it would be very, very, very hard. Four-wheel scooter, you have a little more balance, but as I said, most of your weight is from here to here where the back wheels are. And I also like four-wheel scooters, but a lot of times people think that four-wheel is so much better. It's not that much better. It is a little more stable, but not as much as people think. So here we've got this scooter right here. As I mentioned earlier, it does have a swivel seat. Another thing that's good about this scooter, it has a sliding seat also. So if there's another lever here, we can move the seat closer to the front or closer to the back. This is called your tiller. Right here, this is called the tiller. This tiller is adjustable. By turning this knob here, untightening it, you can adjust it any way you want, depending how tall you are, where you need it. This scooter also, if you look at your control panel, this is called the Europa control. What's nice about this is that if you only have one hand, you can drive this scooter going forward right here with one hand. And if you want to go reverse, just put your hand on top and push it this way. So you can drive this scooter with one hand. On your display, you've got your horn. You've got your speed from slow, where it barely moves, all the way to 5 miles, 5.20 miles an hour. You've got your battery display telling you they're full. You will lose these lights as you go along. So if you're down to just red lights, you'd be almost empty. You've got headlights on this scooter, which I will show you right now. The nice thing about this scooter, it has LED light in the front, and it also has LED lights right here, which is very, very nice. You can see what kind of lighting you'll be getting with this scooter. And this is adjustable here, so if you want to move this up or down, you can adjust it. Also, if you do the button and you reverse the light button backward, now you've got floorboard lights. You got lights on your floorboard. So these are your lights for your front. There's no lights in the back, but it's a very well lit scooter. So I'm going to turn the power off, and it comes with 2 keys. So once you remove the keys, they really can't take this scooter away unless they physically lifted the scooter up. Now the basket is a plastic basket with a handle, and it comes just by pushing the lever right here up, you can undo the basket. It should be easy, shouldn't it? So that's your basket right there. Also in the back of your scooter, you have a lever right here. If you needed to put this scooter in neutral, there's a lever right here. Push it forward. Now the beeping you're hearing right now tells you that your screw's in neutral. So if you turn the key off, look how easy it is. So with the key on, even though it's in neutral, there's some resistance. Make sure the key is off and that beeping will go away. So if you happen to go back to your scooter and you turn the power on and you hear that beeping, that's because you're probably in neutral. Put it back in gear, the beeping will go away, okay? You've got anti-tip wheels in the back. You've got 2 of them right here, back here. So they're there for protection. You've also got anchor points right here, so if you need to tie the scooter down to your platform or your lift or your van right here and right here, there's 2 of them there. There's probably one in the front also. So this scooter the width of this scooter is 22.25 wide. So 22.25, it's not very wide for a scooter. But you got to remember, 22.25, that's from wheel to wheel, over 22 inches. The arms are about 23 inches, so you might be able to move them in, but the arms are about 23. So 23 inches you need to go through a door. Another thing about this scooter, you've got a drain cup holder here. You can put your cell phone next to it right here. You have your drain cup holder right here, which is already built into this new model. You've got your charger port right there. So when you charge your scooter, you take your charger, plug it right here, plug it right in the port, and plug it into the wall. And as soon as the light turns green, you're fully charged. The charger will stop charging when it's full. You've also got a USB port right here. So if you need to charge your phone, you have a USB port right next to your charging port. So as I mentioned earlier, the scooter is 22.25 wide. It's about 47 inches long from the back to the front. It's 47 inches long. Now this scooter here can be taken apart. Is it a portable scooter? I wouldn't call it a portable scooter, but if you have the strength, or there's 2 of you, or you have one of you that's really healthy, yes, you can take it apart and take it places. And I'm going to take it apart just to show you. So when you take it apart, just flip the seat down, grab the seat and go straight up with it, and grab it this way. Go straight up with it. The seat weighs about 29 pounds, so that's not too heavy. Right here is your battery box. This is just a cover, so this cover's on Velcro, you'll hear it. Take the battery cover off, and that weighs 2 pounds. Your batteries are here. There's a strap over the battery, so untie the strap, loosen it up, and the batteries plug in right here between the 2 batteries. You just unplug them. There's one, and they plug right here, and you can't mess up, black and white. You have one battery here, and the other battery comes out. Okay? Now, before you do anything else, you would take your basket off. You would bring your tiller down. Now don't bring the tiller all the way down so you don't damage the, just bring it down. Okay? And now right here, there's a handle. Very simple. Grab a hold of your post, pull the handle up. Pull the handle up. And now you are unhooking the rear from the front. Here's your rear end. Here's your rear of your scooter. As you can see, this is a heavy-duty motor, 4 brushes, heavy-duty motor, very well built. That's why I like this scooter. You can see the width of the wheel, which is very good for tracking. If you're outside, a lot of people think, oh, I want 14-inch wheels, but they're only this wide. But these are 10-inch wheels, but they're this wide. This is what you need when you're in the grass and all that. You want the width, not how tall it is. So this is your rear, direct, no chain, no belt. Everything is direct from the motor to the wheels. This is about, this portion here is about 40, 45 pounds. The front end according to the manual, is about 55 to 56 pounds. This is the heavy part, okay? Now, you can grab it here. I wouldn't grab it by the handle or by these plastic covers. Grab it by something solid. So if you grab it here in the front, this is your heaviest piece. And you can see the front wheel right there. This is 55 to 56 pounds. So this is the part that you, that would be the heaviest piece. So 55 pounds, 56 pounds, roughly 40 pounds here. Batteries are about 25 pounds each. The seat is about 29 pounds. The basket, 3 or 4 pounds. So when you put it back together, very simple. If you look at this bottom of this scooter right here, you get little hooks right here. They're going to have to go right over here. So you just bring it back, put it right on top, drop it in, it snaps back together. So it's already back together. Bring your tiller back up, like this. Then you're going to reverse the process. Now, if you wanted to just carry this portion of your scooter and you wanted to put it in your van and you don't have a lift, you could lift this scooter, the nose, like this, on the bumper of your van, if you have a van or whatever you have, and then grab the rear end here and roll it in. Now this whole base is a lot heavier when it's together. You've probably got 40 and 55, about 105, 108 pounds here. But by doing it that way, you can get it in the van because the battery's off of it and the seat is off. If you're taking 80 pounds off the weight of the scooter. So you're going to put the batteries back in, take your batteries, drop it in here, do your connections, again like we showed you before. Now be gentle with these connections, okay? Don't be jamming them in. They do break once in a while. So watch what you're doing. Put your cable back on, your strap over your batteries. And snap it back together. Put your cover back on, it's on Velcro. So it's on there good. When you put the seat back on, grab it like this and hold it this way so you can see the male piece. So when you walk behind it, you can see where it's going to go. Right into here, it'll fall right into place. And then put your basket back on. Why didn't you do that the first time? Okay, so now we've covered the scooter, 400-pound weight capability, beautiful blue color, fantastic color. As I said, this scooter comes with 2 size batteries. You can have U1 35 amp batteries, which will give you about 11 miles on a battery charge, or 40 amp batteries at an extra cost. That'll get you 13 to 15 miles on a battery charge. So you have 2 sets of batteries, a little bit bigger for more distance. So if you're looking for a scooter with 400-pound weight capability, nice headlights and LED lights, solid tires, 5.20 miles an hour this scooter will go. This will be a really nice one to look at. As soon as you let go, the motors brake. So you're only going to go maybe a foot, foot and a half. If you watch, as soon as I let go, the motor brakes. It has a built-in brake automatically in it. The turning radius, if you want to turn this scooter sharp as you can turn this, which you're looking at, 52 inches. So Very easy to drive. I can drive this scooter with one finger. As you can see, I got one finger on the tiller right here. Very easy to drive, very smooth, solid tires. Went through my rough grass out there with no problem at all. So this is a really nice addition to the Pride Mobility line, and it's ready to go. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marcsmobility.com.